In this video, I will show you how to update Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. It's a good idea to keep your Windows 11 operating system up to date, as this can potentially resolve any bugs, glitches, and of course keep you protected. To update Windows 11, first you want to make sure that you are connected to the internet, so come down and make sure you are connected, whether that's via Wi-Fi or via a local Ethernet cable. And once you've done that, all you need to do is come to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, in here type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. Once your settings window is opened, if you come over to the menu on the left hand side, you're going to see at the bottom the option for Windows Update. So give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this. And as you can see, I've actually just currently installed a update, but for yourself, you're going to see a blue button, which is going to say check for updates, or if there's any updates available, it might say update now, in which case what you can do is click to update your system. And once that's done, you just want to restart your PC to fully update your Windows 11 operating system. Once your PC has restarted, you should now be fully up to date, but you can always come back to this section here in your Windows settings to see if there's any available updates. Also, and on here, if you come down to more options, if you click onto advanced options, this is going to find additional updates. So if you come into here, go to additional options and click onto optional updates. This is going to find additional updates for things like drivers as well. So you can of course select any of these and download and install these updates as well. So that is how to update Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.